Hello, welcome to 02protraining.com. This is Hassan Mir. In this session, we will talk about what is SAS. SAS stands for Statistical Analysis System, pronounced as SAS. SAS is an integrated system of software products used in business intelligence. These products are owned and maintained by the company SAS Institute Inc. So here are the different areas where SAS could be used by the programmers: information retrieval and data management, report writing and graphics, statistical analysis, econometric and data mining, business planning, forecasting and decision support, operations, research and project management, quality improvement, applications development, and data warehousing ETL process, extract, transform, and load. Here are some of the features of a SAS products. SAS programming can process millions of rows and thousands of columns, so it's pretty scalable. It has built-in statistical and random number functions. It has comprehensive date and time handling functions. It has comprehensive functions for handling characters and numeric manipulations. It can interact with the databases. It can interact with operating system level features, and it could produce outputs in various formats, including comma separated values, PDF, and XMLs. So based on SAS, large-scale software solutions have been produced, and they are used in different business areas, including IT management, human resource management, financial management, business intelligence, customer relationship management, and so on. So we have a data set, and then we can write programs to process the data set. So data is stored in tables. So the term used for tables in SAS world is data sets. And then we can write programs to manipulate the data and to perform operations on the data. Keep in mind, SAS can also access data in external databases through libraries. Non-technical users can generate programs through graphical user interface that gives them user-friendly interface to define the logic, while programmers can directly do the coding. There are various interfaces available to be used with SAS. SAS Enterprise Guide is the most popular one. The SAS programs that you write could access the core functionality of SAS Components, and API is used to call the SAS Functionality. API stands for Application Programming Interface, and it consists of procedures and functions that could be called from the program. So here are the parts of a SAS program: data step, procedure steps, macro language, and output delivery system. So let's talk about the data step part. This part automates the process of opening and reading data files so that programmers could focus on core programming. You can consider this as a 3GL language. Various tasks could be performed by procedures that operate on data sets. Examples would include printing or performing statistical analysis, or it could be as simple task as identifying the data set. You can use SAS programming language to write program of any level of complication. You do have SQL procedure support as well available. You can consider this as a 4GL language. Macros are available. This helps you organize your code that is going to repeat more than once. Then we have output delivery system, or ODS. This directs output created by the data step or procedure step to various sorts of file types. For example, you can create XML, PDF, CSV, and so on. So the bottom line is that SAS enables programmers to more focus on information contained in the data and less worry about technical details of the data, how to retrieve it, how it is stored, etc. So this advantage that SAS provides blurs the line between programmers and the business users. You will find both technical staff and non-technical staff using SAS products. Programmers fall under information technology department, and business users could fall under business or research area, for example. SAS products could run on IBM mainframes, OpenVMS Alpha, Unix, Microsoft Windows, and Linux. The code is almost transparently movable from one environment to the other. However, older versions of SAS did support multiple operating systems other than what we have discussed PC, DOS, Apple Macintosh, VMS, VMCMS, Prime OS, Data General AOS, and OS/2. A quick history: SAS products were born in 1966, so it's a pretty old product. Was created by Anthony J. Barr. He was the student of North Carolina State University. Various versions have been released so far, and the latest release these days is version 9. SAS is a product that lets you analyze data, and it falls under business intelligence market. If you want to know more about business intelligence, please take my video specifically on that topic. SAS is a market leader in this market along with MicroStrategy. So these are the products that are solely created for business intelligence purposes. We have tremendous amount of competition in this market coming from giants like SAP, Oracle, Microsoft, and IBM. However, these companies are not really specialized only in business intelligence. They deal with tons of other software as well, like ERP and databases, for example. So in competition, we have MicroStrategy, SAP Business Objects, IBM Cognos, Oracle Hyperion, SPSS Modeler, and Microsoft Business Intelligence. Most of these products are purchased by these companies like SAP, IBM, and Oracle. There are numerous components within SAS group of products. You can see them on the screen, and we'll talk about those separately in different videos. Here, the idea is just to list the components so that you have a little bit of an idea how big this suite is. And you can license individually the components that are required. So generally speaking, we have terminologies commonly used as tables, rows, and columns in the relational database world. These terms may be slightly differently used in SAS world. Tables are sometimes referred to as data sets, rows are referred to as observations, and columns are referred to as variables. Keep in mind, this is not a rule all the time. Some of the graphical user interface products do refer rows as rows and columns as columns. So there is a large user community supported by SAS Institute, and users do have a say in future developments.